This is my father's province. That's the road. And this is my uncle's house, Papa's brother. And then as I remember as a child, this is the way going to that middle thing there. It's like a small island in rice fields. So these are the rice fields of my grandfather's. Not really what he owns, but he's like a caretaker of this for long period of time already, which is also their relatives. And then they have a space here in the middle where allotted for the children of my grandfather. So they're like 11 siblings. One died already, so 10 left. So right now my dad is in this house too. I think that one in the last one. But as you can see, this coconut tree here, this with the plants, that's where my father will build his own house. And then there he built a house there, but it didn't finish. So this is my aunt, my uncle. So these houses here are all the siblings. And this pond here, fish pond, my father did that, but it dried up already. I think there's no tilapia here anymore. It dried up. Yeah, he dig this one. I don't know. Yeah, that one. See, it's dry. So this one, that the garden there, that's he's supposed to build his own space. But I'm thinking I sent him $200 to start at least, but he didn't. He buy some like bamboos thing, but he didn't do anything, and that's gonna just ruin after a few months. So I don't like to give him money again. I told him just to build a small house like this. That's okay. For me, I can live with that. I don't need a big house like that, you know, for just vacation. That I don't have plan really to live here. Hey, stop barking at me. Yeah, papaya, look at that. So this is Papang. I sent him money to get that motor water so they can have a water here. That's all his plants. And he's supposed to build his place here. Vlog tayo. This is where my grandmother lives. Asan si Lola rito? Andito si Lola? Oh.
Barato lang siguro si tiyo mo, dabo man mo.
Reseta sa akin ng doktor. Look at that, aratili. Aratili, sarap. Ba? Ha? Enggak. Basyo. I don't know. Versus, ang ganda-ganda naman yan, oh. Hi, girl ka ba? Girl? Ay, girl to? Boy. Nye, boy ka gali. Boy ka gali. Boy ka gali. Gimme hand. Shake hands.
Uy, gabi ya, uy.
Yan lang.
Ay, mababa mo magkuha ng ano, nakayuko ka man. Sige.
Dahil niyahan ka lang dyan, malaglag ka. Kapit.
Sana yan eh.
Nga. Kumsay nga.
Ay, makuha nga siya napalpon.
Kain din si Tiyo. Bagsakan tayo dyan.
Kanya tayo, yung hotel management, ano yan?
HRM.
Oo. Sabi ko.
Guys, aratilis.
Ay, kundi tuyo na dahil yung mga short.
Nakikita nyo ba yan? Oo nga. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Aratilis.
Labada ni kay Inday.
Oh.
Kailangan ko maglaba.
Yeah?
Pag gusto ko maglaba. Para matuyo. Aring brief mo na yun, duwa.
Pinagtripan mo daw siya kanina, ay ang ginantiyan ka.
Day, aring duwa mo ka brief mo.
Ay, yan tayo.
La? Kumain ka na la? Kumain ka na la? Sarap. Dito lang. Busog na ako eh. Sarap, sarap naman. Gapanihol-nihol na si Lola oh. Busog. Ano ba mga tanim ni Papang dito?
Ayan o, kamati.
Saan ang daan ito? Dito? Tingnan natin yung tanim ni Padir. Si Lola kumakanta ng may ultimo adios. My father likes to plant. Oh, meron siyang ganito. Meron siyang ampalaya, bitter melon. I think. Uy, there's a papaya here. Papaya. Uy, look at that. Oh, there's a tomato. Kita mo naman yung mga tomato niya, oh. Actually, this lot supposed to be a home lot. Like he can build his home here. Ikaw may tanim? But right now, he planted a lot of stuff here. He's good in planting. What plant? Anong plant to? Choy, what plant is this? What plant is this? This one.
Ano? Pepino.
Pipino? What is pipino? What is pipino in English?
Cucumber.
Wow, very good, Joy.
You know?
Very good.
I know.
No, Joy, not this one. This is pipino.
That is a cucumber.
No, a cucumber. But the other one, this one here. The smaller plant, this one.
That one is a cucumber.
This one too is cucumber?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I cannot to say.
I cannot to say. Sige. Gabi. Ay, puguhin nyo naman yung sinampay nyo.
That is
This one.
okra.
This one? What is okra in English?
Okra.
Okra too. Yeah, I think okra also. Right? Ito kalamansi ba to, Choy?
Yeah.
What is kalamansi in English? No. Lime.
Lime lemon.
Lime? Lemon? No, lemon is lemon.
Hindi, kalamansi.
This is a coconut tree as a giant tree.
Giant tree. That
Ay,
is a
tuba.
coconut tree. That is a tuba.
Tuba. So this is tuba. This is like juice.
Yeah. Oh,
Alcohol?
Full now.
Full now. Oh my God.
Full.
Full now. Ate mo
Yeah.
si Tio, magaling mag-English yan. My father's brother.
Yeah,
My uncle.
papaya.
Yeah, papaya. That one. See?
There's a uyabano.
Where's the guyabano?
Yeah.
Oh, may guyabano ka, Choy?
Yeah.
Ayos ah. Dami yung tanim dito ah. Hindi naman to namunga, Choy.
Yeah, they have a fruit. They have a fruit now.
Ah, yeah.
You said there.
Guyabano. Look, guyabano.
Uyabano there. Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Guyabano. Papaya doon. Papaya. Anong puno to, Choy?
Uyabano.
Guyabano rin to?
Yes.
Walang bunga. Natawa. There's tuba. Ano English ng tuba, Choy?
I don't know.
I don't know. I cannot understand. Tuba to, guys. You can drink this. It's like alcohol but not from the coconut.
Eggplant.
Huh? Where's the eggplant?
Eggplant.
Ah, eggplant. Okay. Papang made this for like rice field, but this is he put some tilapia there and now it's dried. See guys, this is pipino. May kalamansi doon, lime. Ayos ah.
I'm doing the
He have a small garden here. Nice. But I told them they need to clean up the mess because it's so messy now. Like, look at this. This is my aunt's. That's my father's brother's house. I don't know. That's my uncle's house too. And right now, Papang have no house here. So this one is supposed to be the lot that he can build a house. And I like that because it's in the front. And then that's my aunt. This is my grandmother supposed to stay, but she don't like it here. So my cousin is here right now. And then this is my eldest aunt. They're eldest because they're like 11 family. I mean 11 kids. And the eldest, Tita, Aunt Indang, is here. Look at that. It's nice here because they have plants with the small dog. They have plants here. Diba? Oh, ang ganda. Choy! My uncle. Naga-video ah. Oh, my uncle. And then, my aunt also, Papang's third sister. Oh, no, Papang is older. Sino matanda sa inyo ni Papang? Sino matanda sa inyo ni Papang? Sino matanda sa inyo ni Papang? Ah, ikaw, oo. Papang is, my father is next door.
Dito ka na naman kami. Pansit na pansit.
Okay. Sige. Okay.
Sarap-sarap pa naman ng...
Look at that. Very, very nice colors. Yeah, she said she have pansit.
Nice mo na?
Ang alin?
Ang gamit papa mo?
Si Alexis, ako nagpa-manicure. Manicure, pedicure. Look at that. Oh, nice, right? There's a cows, carabaos, wherever. Teka lang, Chay. Ikot lang ako dito, ah. She cooked pansit. Look at this, guys. There's a lot of nice trees here. Oh, there's a small, I don't know what this is about, but this is one of my uncle. So, uy, suha to ah. But there's a suha. What do you call it, suha in English? I don't know. Yeah, that's their backyard. There's suha. There's garbage everywhere. That's why I told them they need to clean it up. You know, I don't know what is this. Ay, poo. Ew. See that? So that's still their stuff there. And then my father built a house there. Look at that. Hey! That one. But it's not done until now because he didn't listen to me. I told him to build a house on that where he planted the stuff, but he chose to build a house here that is not his land, or not the land or family's land, because this one they are not really I mean those land there is not our family's land, you know. So yeah, this one you can build house here anywhere in this part. So there's a house there too. I remember this place 23 years ago. Nagtupi ka na? My aunt. And my grandma supposed to stay here, but she likes to stay there. Oh. Pakain ka na ng mga alaga mo?
What?
What? English?
What do you want? Where you go?
Where you go? Oh, diba? Ganda ng mga tanim ni Tia. Oh, I like the colors. Yeah, that's my grandmother. Oh, my grandmother doesn't like to stay in a nice house. She wants to stay in this nipa, small, tiny nipa house. Lola! How old are you, Lola?
Ha?
How old are you?
Ako?
Yeah.
Ay, pila na ko kay ano na, Nagaduwe, nubinta na.
Oh, see? Lola understand English.
Ha?
You understand English?
Pila?
You understand English?
Hindi ko bati ano ni.
Kakaintindi ka ng English?
English.
Oo. Kaintindi ka?
Ah,
Kaintindi ka? Sabi ko, ilang taong ka na?
ang kinatawan ko.
Oo. Pila ka tuig ka na? Hindi mo na maalala?
Hindi na ako maano.
Kailan birthday mo?
Maybe
You can understand the English?
May 19.
19.
Yeah, May 1919.
Oh,
Kailan ka?
Mayo 9.
May 19.
Ginapamangkot ko kung pila na ang edad niya. Siling niya, hindi na siya ka...
How old are you now?
Oh,
Ay, nubinta na gano'n.
oh no,
I
benta.
know. I
90.
speak English. I can understand.
Ah, tama si Tiyo. Hindi yan lasing, guys. Ganyan lang yan magsalita si Tiyo. Ay, there's a little kid puppy here.
What?
Puppy. Puppy. Ang cute ng puppy na yan. Oh, tingnan mo naman
Premyo
yan.
na gani ako.
Oh, they have a premium.
Sa edad ko gani may premyo na.
May premyo na. Here, if you get to 90, 100 years old, you're gonna get money. Right, Lola?
Ha?
Nakuha ka na ng pera mo. May premyo ka na.
Oh,
Ay, ang buto ay manjapon.
Ay, siya yung
I have no rank. Because I
Tama na, suot mo. Nakapalda ka na, nakashort ka pa. Doble-doble, kid.
Eh, baka masilipan daw sa niyong jong.
Baka sino maninilip sa ila? Well, they said because she have short and skirt because who is Ijong? Sino si Ijong? Sabi niya baka they will sneak what do you call that? Sneak peek at you. Oh, I see. Saan? Dito? Kay Papang? Ay, talaga to si Papang pasaway talaga.
Sa
No?
inom.
Umiinom ba rin?
Oo eh.
Pagalitan mo kasi. Paluin mo ng baston mo to.
May gay karon ni
Sabi mo, stop drinking. Palo, ganyan, no? Balukon, pang anuhin mo, balala. Bakulon ba? Bakulon mo, ah.
Siya lang ang nagatangway.
Oh, I see. Mainit dila, no? Kailangan mo na electric pan la. Alexis!
Oh, may
Bigay mo na nga electric pan kay Lola dito.
araw may siling pan.
Ay, siling pan. Wala ka naman doon.
Ay, ari mo ko diya.
Raro,
English
Maybe 2,100 like that.
Araro. Araro. What's araro?
Plow.
Aplo.
Plow.
Oh, ang galing ni Gio. Gio, you're good in English, Gio, ya.
Yes, I know that of all. If not, I'm forgot.
It's not, I forgot.
But I'm forgot, I cannot to speak.
Oh, good.
Why your cameraman?
Dapat dito binablog to eh.
What?
Ayan nga eh.
Ikaw na lang ang
Hindi, siya nga ay nag-ano ng mga halaman eh. Pinakilala niya sa akin yung mga tanim eh. Ano English niyan? Oh, alam. Hoy! Ang tapang nitong dalawan to, nag-away pa. Eto, nagigib ka. Nasaan yung pansit ni Tiyay? Ay, nandito daw. Okay. I want to eat. O, tara.
explain ko sa kanya kung
Moo! Ang Carles, ito nga. Where my childhood memories are from this place. I can't forget when I was like 5, 6 years old. But there's a lot of big houses now. Before there's only like 1 or 2 houses in here. My aunt's house here is very small, tiny house that time. No other houses here much. And now, like 35 years later, wow, look at that. Okay guys, so we're leaving, going to Isla Gigantes. Hi! My niece, my brother, my aunt, my cousin, my 1 hour going to island of Higa. Island of Giants, they call in English, but it's in Tagalog, Isla de Gigantes. We'll stay there for 3 days. So see you later.